Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, everyone. We are so happy to see you again.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Thank you so much for coming back to learn English with us.
Yes, every time you watch our lessons, your English gets a little better.
Today we have a very useful lesson.
We are going to learn 25 better ways to say, I don't know.
This is something native English speakers say every single day.
Really? I thought everyone only says, I don't know.
That's a very common idea, Anna, but native speakers have many different ways to say it.
That sounds exciting.
By the end of this lesson, you will know many natural expressions.
And you will sound much more like a native English speaker.
We will explain what each expression means.
We will also show you when to use it.
We'll tell you when not to use it.
We'll compare formal and informal situations.
You'll hear lots of real conversations.
We'll practice together.
We'll also talk about common mistakes.
And we'll give you easy memory tricks.
So stay with us until the end.
Let's begin.
First, let's start with the sentence everyone knows.
I don't know.
This sentence is correct.
Very correct.
Native English speakers use it all the time.
So why do we need other expressions?
Great question.
Thank you.
Sometimes I don't know sounds too direct.
Oh,
Sometimes it sounds too short.
I understand.
Sometimes you want to sound friendlier.
Sometimes more polite.
Exactly.
So today we're learning different feelings too.
That's right.
Let's learn the first one.
Number one is,
I'm not sure.
native English speakers love this expression.
What does it mean?
It means you are not completely certain.
So maybe I know a little.
Exactly.
Can you give us an example?
Sure.
Sure. What time does the movie start?
I'm not sure. I think it's 7 o'clock.
That sounds very natural.
It does.
Can I say, I'm not sure, let me check?
Perfect.
Where do people use this?
At work?
At school?
Yes.
At home?
Of course.
Can I use it with my teacher?
Yes.
Can I use it with my boss?
Absolutely.
So it's polite.
Very polite.
I like this one already.
Here's a small pronunciation tip.
Yes?
Native English speakers often say,
I'm not sure.
notice how not becomes very soft.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
I'm not sure.
Excellent.
What's a common mistake?
Some learners say,
I know sure.
that's incorrect.
What's correct?
I'm not sure.
Easy.
Let's practice.
I'll ask.
I'm ready.
Do you know where Sarah lives?
I'm not sure.
Do you know the answer?
I'm not sure.
Very simple.
Very useful.
Let's learn another one.
Number two,
I have no idea.
this expression is very common.
Does it mean I really don't know?
Exactly.
So it's stronger than I don't know.
Yes.
Can I use it with friends?
Yes.
Can I use it with family?
Yes.
Can I use it in an office?
Yes, but be careful with your tone.
Why?
If you say it politely, it's fine.
Can you give an example?
Where is Mike?
I have no idea.
Perfect.
Another one?
When will the bus arrive?
I have no idea.
Excellent.
Can I say,
Go ahead.
I have not idea?
Almost.
Oops.
The correct sentence is,
I have no idea.
great job. So remember.
No, not.
Exactly.
Easy memory trick.
Here's another conversation.
Let's do it.
Who ate my chocolate?
I have no idea.
Very natural.
I think someone is hiding something.
Maybe.
Let's continue.
Number three,
I'm not really sure.
this sounds softer.
Softer?
Yes.
How?
It shows you think a little, but you're still uncertain.
Can you show us?
When is John's birthday?
I'm not really sure.
Excellent.
Can I also say, I'm really not sure?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Both are natural?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Now let's compare.
Okay.
I don't know.
Simple.
I'm not sure.
More polite.
I'm not really sure.
Even softer.
Exactly.
I can hear the difference.
Native speakers often choose the softer one.
especially in polite conversations.
Exactly.
Let's move on.
Number 4.
Beats me.
This is very interesting.
What does it mean?
It means,
I don't know.
yes,
Why do people say beats me?
it's just a fixed expression.
So nobody is hitting me?
No,
I was worried.
it doesn't mean someone beats you.
That's funny.
Native speakers use it mostly in casual conversations.
So friends,
Yes,
family,
yes,
boss,
usually no.
teacher?
Better use another expression.
Like, I'm not sure.
Exactly.
Example, please.
What happened to your keys?
Beats me.
Very natural.
What time is Jake coming?
Beats me.
I like this expression.
You'll hear it in movies too.
Great.
Number 5.
I couldn't tell you.
This is another nice expression.
What does it mean?
It means,
I don't know.
yes.
Can you explain simply?
It means you don't have the information.
Example.
Where is Mr. Brown?
I couldn't tell you.
Excellent.
Does it sound polite?
Yes.
Can I say,
Yes.
I can't tell you?
Careful.
Why?
I can't tell you often means,
I know the answer.
but I won't tell you.
Oh.
Very different meaning.
So if I don't know,
Say,
I couldn't tell you.
exactly.
That's an important difference.
Very important.
I'm glad we learned that.
Let's practice.
Ready.
Where did Emma buy this bag?
I couldn't tell you.
Excellent.
Another one.
Who called you?
I couldn't tell you.
Perfect.
Let's keep going.
Number 6.
I'm not too sure.
This is very close to
I'm not sure.
exactly.
What's the difference?
Very small.
Really?
Yes,
Then why use it?
because native speakers like variety.
That makes sense.
Example.
Okay.
Is this the right train?
I'm not too sure.
Excellent.
Will it rain tomorrow?
I'm not too sure.
Very easy.
Exactly.
Let's do a little quiz.
Good idea.
Someone asks,
Do you know his phone number?
which answer sounds more polite?
Option 1.
I don't know.
Option 2.
I'm not sure.
Option 3.
I'm not too sure.
What do you think?
Pause the video.
Choose your answer.
Ready?
All 3 are correct.
But 2 and 3 sound softer.
Exactly.
Good job if you guessed that.
Now let's learn another expression.
Number 9.
As far as I know,
Wait.
yes,
Does this mean I know everything?
no.
Really?
Not in this expression.
Then what does it mean?
It means
This is what I know right now.
exactly.
So maybe the information changes later.
Correct.
Example, please.
As far as I know, the store closes at 9.
So maybe I'm right,
Yes,
but maybe not.
exactly.
Another example.
As far as I know, she's on vacation.
Very useful.
This is common in spoken English.
Can I use it at work?
Yes,
Can I use it in meetings?
definitely.
Can I use it with teachers?
Yes.
Nice.
Let's compare.
Okay.
I don't know.
No information.
As far as I know,
Some information.
exactly.
I understand now.
Great.
Let's continue.
Number 8.
Who knows?
This expression is interesting.
Does this mean I'm asking someone?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Often it means
Nobody knows.
exactly.
Can you give an example?
When will people live on Mars?
Who knows?
Perfect.
When will my cat become famous?
Who knows?
That's funny.
Native speakers often use this expression when nobody has the answer.
So it isn't really a question.
Exactly.
It's almost like saying,
No one knows.
very interesting. Have you heard any of these expressions before?
Tell us in the comments.
And try writing one example sentence.
We would love to read it.
Keep practicing with us, because we still have many more natural ways to say, I don't know.
I'm excited to learn more.
Let's continue.
What's our next expression?
Number 9.
I'm afraid I don't know. This is a very polite expression.
Why do people say, I'm afraid?
Great question.
Does it mean they are scared?
No,
Really?
not in this expression.
Then what does it mean?
It simply makes your answers sound kinder.
Oh,
Imagine someone asks,
Excuse me, where is room 205?
You can say,
I'm afraid I don't know.
excellent.
That sounds much nicer than only saying, I don't know.
Exactly.
Can I use it with customers?
Yes,
Can I use it at work?
definitely.
How about with my teacher?
Yes,
So it's a formal expression.
mostly formal and polite.
I like it.
Now number 10.
I'm not certain.
This is another polite choice.
Is it similar to I'm not sure?
Very similar.
Which one do native speakers use more?
I'm not sure.
So should beginners learn both?
Yes.
Example,
Is this the correct address?
I'm not certain.
Great.
When does the meeting begin?
I'm not certain.
Easy.
Now let's compare.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Common.
I'm not certain.
A little more formal.
Exactly.
Let's learn another one.
Number 11.
I'm guessing.
This expression means
I'm giving my best guess.
exactly.
So I don't really know.
Correct.
Example,
What time will Alex arrive?
I'm guessing around 6.
Perfect.
Can I say, I'm guessing he is busy?
Yes.
Very natural.
Very natural.
What mistake do learners make?
Sometimes they say,
I know.
but they don't really know.
Oh,
If you're only guessing,
say, I'm guessing.
exactly.
That's honest, too.
Yes.
Number 12.
I think so.
Wait,
Yes.
does this mean I don't know?
Not exactly.
Can you explain?
It means
I believe the answer is yes,
exactly.
but I'm not 100% sure.
Correct.
Example,
Is the bank open today?
I think so.
Excellent.
What if I believe the answer is no?
You can say
I don't think so.
perfect
Native speakers say that a lot.
every day.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Is Emma at home?
I think so.
Is the shop closed?
I don't think so.
Great.
Number 13.
I'll have to check.
This is very useful
Why?
because you don't know now.
But you can find the answer.
Exactly.
Example,
What is your flight number?
I'll have to check.
Perfect.
When is your dentist appointment?
I'll have to check,
That's very common.
especially at work.
And at home, too.
Yes,
Can I say, I don't know, I'll have to check?
that's perfect.
Let's continue.
Number 14.
Let me check.
This one is even shorter.
What's the difference?
Very little.
Example,
What time is it?
let me check.
Excellent.
Did you lock the door?
Let me check.
So I don't need to say, I don't know.
Exactly.
Native speakers like short answers.
They do.
Number 15.
That's a good question.
Wait,
Yes,
does this really mean I don't know?
sometimes it does.
Really?
Yes.
Can you explain?
Imagine someone asks,
Why is the sky pink today?
you might say,
That's a good question.
then
I don't know.
exactly.
So it gives you time to think.
Yes,
It also sounds friendly.
correct.
I hear teachers say this.
Very often.
Let's do a role play.
Great idea.
Why do birds fly south?
That's a good question.
And
I'm not really sure.
very natural.
Exactly.
Number 16. I'm not the right person to ask.
That's a long sentence.
Yes. What does it mean?
It means someone else knows better.
So maybe I'm asking the wrong person.
Exactly.
Example,
How do I fix this computer?
I'm not the right person to ask.
Perfect.
You should ask Mike.
Excellent.
Can I use this at work?
Absolutely.
Very polite.
Yes.
Number 17.
I wish I knew.
Oh,
This expression has emotion.
what kind of emotion?
You want to know the answer.
But you don't.
Exactly.
Example,
When will the train arrive?
I wish I knew.
Excellent.
When will summer begin?
I wish I knew.
It sounds a little sad
Sometimes.
or frustrated.
Exactly.
Number 18.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Wow.
It's a little longer.
What does it mean?
It means
Neither of us knows.
exactly.
Can you give an example?
When will the package arrive?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Perfect.
So we're both guessing.
Exactly.
Can I use this with friends?
Yes.
At work?
Sometimes.
In a very formal meeting.
Better use a simpler expression.
Like, I'm not sure.
Exactly.
Let's have another quiz.
Good idea.
Which answer sounds the most polite?
Option 1.
I have no idea.
Option 2.
I'm afraid I don't know.
Option 3.
Beats me.
Pause the video.
Think carefully.
Ready?
The answer is
I'm afraid I don't know.
excellent if you got it right.
Now let's learn the last group.
I'm ready.
Number 19.
I haven't got a clue.
This is a fun expression.
Does it mean I lost a clue?
No.
I guessed that.
It simply means,
I have no idea.
exactly.
Example?
Where is my wallet?
I haven't got a clue.
Perfect.
Very casual?
Yes,
Friends and family?
exactly.
Number 20.
I couldn't say.
Is this like I couldn't tell you?
Very similar.
Example?
When will they arrive?
I couldn't say.
Excellent.
Number 21.
It's hard to say.
What does that mean?
The answer is difficult.
Maybe nobody knows yet.
Exactly.
Example?
Will prices go down next month?
It's hard to say.
Perfect.
Number 22.
I'm still figuring it out.
I like this one.
It means you're learning.
You don't know yet.
Exactly.
Example?
Do you know how this software works?
I'm still figuring it out.
Excellent.
Number 23.
I'll find out.
That sounds confident.
Yes,
Because I don't know now.
but you'll get the answer.
Example?
Which room is our class in?
I'll find out.
Great.
Number 24.
I'll get back to you.
I hear this at work.
Very often.
What does it mean?
I'll tell you later.
After I check.
Exactly.
Example?
Can you tell me the price?
I'll get back to you.
Perfect.
And now,
Our last expression.
number 25.
Let me find out.
Is this similar to let me check?
Very similar.
Example?
Which train goes to London?
Let me find out.
Excellent.
Now we know 25 better ways to say, I don't know.
Let's do a quick review.
If you want to sound polite,
Say, I'm not sure.
or
I'm afraid I don't know.
if you're talking with friends,
I have no idea.
or
Beats me.
if you need time,
Let me check.
or
I'll have to check.
if you're going to get the answer later,
I'll find out.
or
I'll get back to you.
if both people don't know,
Who knows?
or
Your guess is as good as mine.
here's an easy memory trick.
Don't memorize all 25 today.
Learn 3 or 4 first,
Use them in real conversations.
then learn a few more.
Small steps every day.
That's the best way to become fluent.
Native speakers use these expressions every day.
So the more you practice them,
The more natural your English will sound.
now it's your turn.
Write one sentence in the comments using your favorite expression.
We'd love to read your examples.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please give this video a like.
subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Share this lesson with your family and friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
keep smiling.
And remember,
Every new expression makes your English stronger.
we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and happy learning.